While English teaching jobs all over the world offer a living wage, having that extra income can open up a lot of opportunities within your experience abroad. While your main income might cover basic costs, having that additional cash can help you cover that trip across the border of Cambodia or check off that restaurant in Paris you really wanted to visit.
In the realm of teaching English, ESL tutoring is an awesome way to add extra money to that monthly income. In fact, many TEFL certified teachers find that they can make more money with private tutoring than they make at their regular teaching gig at a local language school. Some even start their own business and they decide to private tutor full-time. You can teach in person or you can private tutor online, and it provides a viable way to make money either abroad or in your home country.
A handy addition to our internationally recognized TEFL certification course, Tutoring English spans over 2 weeks and will provide the tools you need to get your tutoring business off the ground.
Led by our expert level instructors, this course dives into how to grow a tutoring business, recruit students, develop materials, and a whole lot more. Completing this class, you'll not only have a roadmap for how to develop the tutoring business that you want, you'll also gain the skills you need to provide your students with a high quality, enriching experience, whether you're abroad or teaching from home or in your local community.
That restaurant in Paris awaits.